Hello friends, how are you all? Hope all is well. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade a cement pot. Now mix the cement and sand to prepare the mixture which will fill the cup. The cement pot will be turned upside down and filled with concrete by placing a cup on it. After 24 hours, remove the plastic cup. White lime will be applied on it. And when the lime is dry, colored lime will be applied on it. After coloring, we planted aloe vera plant in it. Now look how good our pot looks already. Another advantage of this is that if we accidentally spill more water in it, it will easily drain from the bottom, and our plant will grow well. Friends, we hope you like this video, and you will have learned to make it too. Request you, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch our upcoming videos. And do share your opinion in the comment section. We'll take good care of you. Goodbye.